Don't videotape me getting drunk though.
Well guys, time to remove this because I got my hub adapter, so time for a steering wheel installation. Already removed 2 of these 10mm bolts, so God. What's that? A duck I heard?
Did a duck in my car?
Alright, so after you remove these 4 10mm bolts on each side, well 2 per side, just remove the airbag. Well, and here's the airbag, and this is going to be a 21mm bolt, so go ahead and do that.
Use this hole.
Yeah, thanks.
There we go.
Now I've already removed the steering wheel before, but normally people would be recommending using a steering wheel removal tool. Too bad I didn't record the video beforehand. But once
I have to interject here. You're doing a video. I'm like, well, that's interesting. You normally, people always tell me about using a steering wheel puller. This is a special guest here. I'm not gonna tell you my name, but it's important. However, how would you pull this off here? The steering wheel puller. I thought we were supposed to have one. How do you remove this?
But what you have to do is leave this on. If
you leave it on,
and you just have to. Normally, all I have to do is apply some even pressure and pull, and boom.
Come on, but what about the special tool that everybody tells me to go buy, huh?
No need.
You didn't just pull it off by hand without buying a special tool now, did you?
I just did.
You didn't just use equal force and physics to pull off your steering wheel, did you?
Oh, I just did. So anyway, this is it for this part. Next time I start is when I put the new hub adapter in. So I'll be back. Fitted the hub adapter. Oh. Okay guys, fitted the hub adapter. See that little dot right there? It's supposed to be pointing towards the top, so now I gotta put this in. And crap, I lost my freaking torque wrench, so I'll be back. There's one thing I forgot to mention. I have to remove this for this to clear. But got this. Be back as I set the torque. Okay, so I'm back. Got this set to actually, yeah, 35 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and tighten this. Oh. Okay, so that should do, because I gotta hold the steering wheel. Once I put the steering wheel on, then I have to hold it. So I'll be back as I pull out the steering wheel. So now I'm gonna bolt this up and like so. Everybody can do it, so I'll be back once this is installed. Actually, before I do anything, now that I gotta list 2 of them in, I gotta finish bolting this up. Okay, why is it not clicking? That's right. There we go. Now I gotta finish up with the rest of this. So, because of the nut being in the way, I cannot fit this horn button. So, oh well. Let's just get this done. Remember to go in the crisscross pattern, so. Okay, next one. I'll be back as I will have the rest of it finished. Alright, fully installed. The only downside is can't put the button in there, but oh well. More leg room, test drive. So thank you guys for watching.